The first step is to remove the shell. M1M for screwdrivers. Use an M2 screwdriver to remove it. Use an M for screwdriver to remove it. Then remove the shell and put it on the left side of the serving port. Schematic diagram of placement after disassembly. The second step is to adjust the drive gear. Connect the battery to the machine and power it on. Remote control pairing button. Press the pairing button on the remote. When the red light stays steady waiting for pairing. Press the fix button on the remote control. The red light flashes, pairing is completed. Press the fix button again. You will hear a beep, pairing is successful. The third step is to install the shell.